Hello and welcome to Mount It. My name is Tyler and today we'll be going over how to properly install MI-3789, a 2-in-1 multi-purpose tablet holder. Let's jump right into it and start mounting. Alright, so the first step to install MI-3789, you're going to need a stud finder, a pencil so you can mark on the wall, the base plate of MI-3789, and a leveler to make sure that your base plate is level. Now, if you do not have a stud finder, don't worry, it's okay, it's not the end of the world. A couple ways to find the stud on your wall is to locate the outlet. That is usually a dead giveaway of where the stud is, or you can actually do the old classic way and knock on the wall. The higher the frequency, that's most likely where the stud is. So we're going to use the stud finder and find where our stud is. All right, oh, that's actually right there on the spot. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our base plate and put it up here. We're gonna find a spot where it is level and use the leveler. All right, we are dead on, and we are going to make our spots right here and draw it in. Simple as that. The wood screws that come inside the packaging and the wood screws that are in there are 2x32s. We got our drill bit, which is a 1x64, I believe. An easy way to pretty much tell is they're about the same size. That way you can get that grip as soon as you go inside of the wood. All right, so we got our drill bit on the drill. We're gonna go ahead and locate our markings on the wall and start our pilot hole drilling. All right, now that our pilot holes are created, we're going to go ahead and grab the base plate of MI-3789, put it over the drill holes, and we're going to take the screws and drill them in to lock that base plate in place. I have the screwdriver adapter on the drill. You can use a hand screw. This way it's just a little bit quicker. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab our screw, place it in right through here, start to just kind of hand screw it in just to make sure it's locking in place. And we're going to take the screwdriver and we're going to start the process of installation. All right, so once the top screw is on, we're going to go ahead and grab our leveler again, make sure that it is level, and we are good. We're going to take the bottom screw now and place the screw back onto the drill and find the hole and screw it in. Now that the hard part of installing the base plate to the wall is over, we're gonna go ahead and grab the arm part and snap it right onto the base plate. Now, before installing the arm to the base plate, I wanted to show you that this comes with a base covering plate. And what this basically is you can actually remove this arm and take it off, and say you just don't want the hole there. All you're going to do basically is just place that covering, and it's just a simple way to kind of keep it looking nice and neat, and it's just easy to remove. Just slide it up, and then that's basically it with the base plate. So we're going to grab the arm here, and it's very simple. There's a hand screw that comes onto this, like a safety screw that you normally have with a monitor mount. It's basically the same exact thing. You're gonna make sure that the edge right here, ridge, you're gonna make sure that that goes down and snaps into place here. All right, that is in. And then you take this hand screw here, and all you do is hand screw it in. And there you have it. This is how you install MI-3789, the 2-in-1 multi-purpose tablet holder. See you in the next video.